Thanks for giving me sharing the chance to our story.
The Chin community, we all come from a part of village in Burma.
Because of military, we're spreading around the world as a refugee status. Yeah, it is really hard for us this stage. International community and back home, we are all working together and we support each other. We are the Chin communities who are widely connected community. As a refugee when we've been in India, it's really hard for daily life. We work 12 hours a day, and even though we cannot survive daily basic need food, because it's really hard to get a job. We're not status India. We came as a refugee status in Melbourne in 2012.
We've been able to get help from Chin-Myanmar Community Care staff, and Chin-Myanmar Community Care are able to provide assistance with forms, application, and all those necessary stuff for parents that are struggling with English.
I believe that there is something, opportunity to help my people back home and here in Melbourne for everyone and connect people. One of friend, so he introduced me Liam, that's in 2019, and I asked him, if you teach me how to make the quality that you make, and we connect.
These life-changing candles are not just normal candles, they also help us bring back funding back home. It brings employment to other people, especially in our Chin community. It also helps mothers who may be struggling with, part-time jobs and not able to find employment elsewhere.
It may look like a normal candle that you purchase from, say, Coles or Woolies, but this is a life-changing candle, like the name suggests itself. They make a difference, really, especially within our local area as well, especially for our Chin community here that are sort of struggling with English. This candle provides a source of income, a source of job opportunity for those people, especially with our parents, for example. And not only that, obviously the proceeds that they get here, they also send some back home as well, which they are able to provide with necessity, toothbrush, toothpaste, you name it. Those necessities that are here, that we take for granted here, they don't have it back home.
The whole point is make a real difference in the world and also in the community.